Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you all how I get my nice glowy skin for the summer. So I'm going to be using Fenty skin products. So the first step is the cleanser, the total cleanser, remove it all cleanser. I just squirt a bit in my hand as you just seen, and then I'll wet it a bit, and I actually wet it so I get a really good bubbly lather. I really hate it when it's like dry and like kind of like sticking to my face. I don't like that. I like it to be nice and bubbly and smooth. So yes, I wet the cleanser, and then I use circular motions. And if you notice, while I'm doing the circular motions, I am going like upward. So I'm never like pulling my hands down across my face, if that makes sense. I'm doing circular motions and I'm going upward. So when I rinse, I do rinse with cold water, and I just put my hands together and I let a bunch of water run in the palms of my hands, and then I just like splash it or dip my face into my hands, and I do that a few times until all of the bubbles are gone. And then of course I get a clean towel and I pat my face dry. So the next step is to use a toner. I'm going to be using Fenty Skin's Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum. And I only used about 2, maybe 3 drops of that. I don't like using too much because it makes my face like super wet, and I just don't like that. So about 2 to 3 drops is perfect for me. So normally I do rub it in, but I saw that Rihanna pat hers into her face, so I was like, well, let me just try it and see how that goes. But I still ended up rubbing it in like I normally do anyway, so either way works. So I am going upward, same as I did as I was using the cleanser. Everything that I use in my skincare routine, I'm going to use circular motions and I'm going to go upward. It still normally feels pretty wet after I work it in, so I like to grab something to fan myself to help dry it. The third step is the moisturizer. So this comes in a really cute twisty tube type bottle. I really love it. This step is like my favorite step. The moisturizer, it smells so good, and I normally use about 3 pumps. And I rub it in just like how I rubbed in all of my other products. Again, circular motions and going upward, and it smells so good. It's so refreshing. It's not too strong. It's just it's perfect, and it's so smooth, and it's super moisturizing, you guys. It really is. And it does give you that beautiful glistening, like glossy shine that everyone loves to have, especially during the summer. This is definitely my favorite product out of the bunch. The last step is eye cream. You most definitely do not want to leave this item out of your skincare routine. I used to for years, and I really regret it, because eye cream, it really does make a difference, you guys. It definitely helps with dark under eyes, and then bags. It really does help with that. So I really love to put mine on overnight because I like for it to, you know, work its magic while I'm getting my beauty rest, and then wake up in the morning looking all bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. So I have to, these days I have to have some eye cream, and this cream is the best cream that I've used thus far. I don't remember the other ones I've used. I know one of them was an Olay cream, and it actually broke me out. Like, I used to get a bunch of little scaly bumps under my eyes, and I was so confused. I guess I was having an allergic reaction. But yeah, this is the best thus far. So after my routine is done, I like to put on a little chapstick because more than likely I probably won't put on any makeup. Some days I will, most days I won't, because I really do like for my skin to be able to breathe for a few days. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I definitely have some other things that I do in my skincare routine, but I'm gonna add that in on my nighttime routine. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.